Sarya from grade 5D. So today I have made this board game of English writing. I will play this English writing game with my family members. So let's start.
So here you can see there are two players on board. So they will decide that which player will roll the dice first. So the first player has rolled the dice. Okay, so he got 4. He will move 4 steps forward. He is on fun loving. So he will make a sentence for fun loving. So now he or she has made a sentence. I am a fun-loving boy who loves to play. Okay, so we will see that how much words did he written in this sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, it's a very big sentence of 10 words. And his sentence is correct. So now he will still there, and now the second player will get a chance to roll the dice. He got 2. Now he got two steps forward, and he is on where from square. So now he will make a sentence from where from. We can see here the second player sentence is grammatically wrong and it has only 5 words. So he will move 2 steps backwards as per the value on his dice. As per the value on his dice. Now the first player will get a chance to roll the dice. He got 5, so he will move 5 steps forward. The word is exercise. Okay, so this sentence is grammatically correct also, and it is of 10 sentences. I love exercise because it keeps me healthy and fit. As you can see, it is very simple and easy game, and its rules are very simple also. But there are some traps to make it interesting. If I have shown you first trap, which is sorry, miss turn. But the second trap is go back 3 squares. If a player comes to this trap, so he or she should come back to 3 squares back. So now it is on some time coffee. This is a very interesting game and enhances our English writing skills. I hope you liked it, and thank you.